Hey guys, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to take a look at changing out the black imaging unit on a Xerox VersaLink C415 printer. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is to open the front cover, and then you're going to want to open this B section. Grab it, swing it open, and inside are two little orange push buttons. Grab that B section and push those orange buttons, and then pull the white A section straight off the machine, swing it down and pull it away from the machine, and it comes off in one piece. All right, once you have your side off, you're gonna remove your waste toner bottle by pushing the two orange buttons, one on top and one on the lower right corner. Be ready for that waste toner bottle to kind of shoot out at you because it is spring loaded. After that, you'll want to remove all four of your toners, and as you can guess, you're gonna push up on that orange handle. Just like that, and the whole assembly comes up and out, just like that. Now with your toners removed, we're going to remove the imaging unit kit. To do that, there are two orange handles that you will lift all the way up and then pull straight out and away from the machine until it stops. Stop when it stops, don't force it. It'll be about right there. On the sides of the kit are two orange handles. On the right handle, there's a button that's orange that you'll push with your thumb, and that will release the lock, and you'll slide that kit the rest of the way out. If you're changing out only your black imaging unit, I suggest taking the entire imaging unit kit tray and setting it on a surface like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the yellow, the cyan, and the magenta developer units inside of it. To do that, I like to grab this cast metal on each end of them. Grab that, lift up, swing that developer unit out just like that, and be very careful with it and set it aside. Now what you're left with is what should come new in the box if you just ordered the black imaging unit. Once you get your new black imaging unit out of the packaging, set it on a sturdy surface like so, and we're going to reinstall the previously uninstalled color developer units. Magenta goes next to the black. You put it straight down where it needs to go into its position and just let it go. It should sit right where it needs to, and you'll hear a little click. All right, now with your new imaging unit kit, there's a little black hook that is going to sit right where this gray slide is. Give it a good little push in till that right side stop clicks. You're good right there. Now you'll take these two orange handles, finish pushing it all the way in, it'll drop, and then you'll swing those handles down to lock it in place. The next part to go in is we're going to reinstall the toners. Toward the back of the machine, the first toner to go in is the black toner. You push straight down, you'll hear a click, and that's it. After you have your toners installed, we're going to reinstall the waste toner bottle. You'll line up the 4 pins with the springs to the 4 holes on the waste toner bottle. Line it straight up, and you'll push directly into the machine straight as an arrow. Push straight in until the 2 little orange tabs lock, and it's nice and flush. Now we're going to close it up. You'll take your side cover. There's 4 little white claws that sit in these 4 little white troughs down at the bottom, and then swing the white side panel up until it clicks in place, and then you'll swing the B panel up, and then you will close the front cover, and it's that easy. I'm just kidding, that one's actually kind of tricky, so take your time, be very deliberate in everything you do, don't force anything, and make sure everything clicks back in place properly, and you should be good. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same product, click here. If you'd like to see more videos on printer content, like and subscribe.